Good morning, everyone. Considering you're watching this video, I'm assuming you want to learn something more about me, so let's begin. There's no better place to do so than in the place that I've been calling home for the past 2 years, which is my school, Mommy Valley. I am an international student here at Mommy Valley Country Day School, coming from Zagreb, Croatia, and for the past 2 years I have spent anywhere from 9 to 12 hours a day at this school. 24 if you count the time I spent living in the school dorm. Someone might say that yes, all students are learners, but I would disagree. It is important, in my opinion, to make a distinction between people who learn to study and those who learn to learn. If what I'm saying makes no sense, let me elaborate. If you learn to study, your final goal is not to better yourself and expand your knowledge. Not primarily, at least. This is how a lot of people learn, and there's nothing wrong with this. But on the other hand, people who learn to learn, we study because we're interested in what we learn. We want to utilize our knowledge for a future goal, which lies beyond the grade on a test. For me, that goal lies in biomedicine. I'm currently learning all I can about biology in my AP Bio class. Learning about macromolecules, specifically proteins, their structure, all their possibilities, compositions, and functions, and all stemming from only 4 amino acids, is what currently has a hold on my head. Every time I reread an article about DNA and RNA formation, I find a new question worth exploring. And almost always those questions revolve around the specific protein function and pathways involved in producing these 2 molecules which make all humans, animals, and plants what we are today. What I'm learning now may be abstract, but what the Liberal Arts and Sciences program at Groningen will do for me is materialize these figurative topics into a major and minor which will help me achieve what I hold most dear, and that is to change. Because what is the point of learning anything if you don't use it to make your community, the world even, a better place? Everyone deserves an opportunity for learning because that is what leads to their engagement with helping others. Once people learn the benefits of helping others, they will become addicted. It is the best feeling in the world, in my opinion. As a volunteer with a humanitarian organization, I've felt both sad and proud on a daily basis. Sad because of all the tragedy I had to listen to, but proud of the work I was doing to help. After things at the organization got heated and I had to take a break, I continued working on improving a community more nearby myself, my school. I had always taken an interest and participated in extracurriculars like student council, student government, and the environmentalist club. But coming to Mommy Valley as an international student, I was given an amazing opportunity to not only participate, but lead in some of the most influential clubs like the Environmentalist and Global Leadership Program. But I must say that one of my favorite roles at the school is as the international student representative. This is my favorite position because I can directly benefit the international student community by speaking up and innovating changes at the school. This very much relates to what I would hope to achieve not only with Groningen, but in the future after as well. And I believe that thanks not only to the major and minor program, but also to the sports, political, cultural, and study associations, I will be able to continue my interest at Groningen. I think that for me as a learner, science and specifically the program at Groningen is the perfect opportunity to achieve the goal of improving my community. By fostering ideals like inclusion, interdisciplinary learning, providing me with a foundation of scientific knowledge and ways of exploring a science that pervades to so many aspects of our lives, from birth to medicine to the environment, to debate about stem cell research with a wide scope of specialization. As a biomedical researcher or engineer, I hope to never stop learning and finally utilize the knowledge, help, and improve the community. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you consider me for the application. Thank you.